Ever feel like your computer's working harder to protect itself than to help you? Here's how to speed things up. Step 1. Reschedule Windows Defender scans. Open Task Scheduler from the Start menu. Go to Windows Defender Tasks, double-click Windows Defender Scheduled Scan, and in the Conditions tab, uncheck everything. Next, under Triggers, set the scan time for when you're not using your PC. Think late night, not Netflix time. Repeat this for other Defender tasks. Step 2. Exclude the Antimalware service executable from Defender's own scan. Open Task Manager, find Antimalware service executable, right-click, and open its file location. Copy that path. Now, in Windows Security, add that folder to Exclusions. Done. Extra tips: limit Defender's CPU use with group policy if you're on Windows 10 Pro. Run a malware scan with something like Malwarebytes and keep Windows updated. Still slow? Try a third-party antivirus.